students. We are still on fraction. Today we are looking at addition and subtraction of fraction. In our previous lesson, we treated fraction, types of fraction, mixed fraction, improper fraction. Today we are looking at addition and subtraction of fraction. So the first one is the addition of fraction. It is very, very simple. We have two parts here. The first one is a whole number. The second one is a fraction. We have a whole number, we have a fraction, then we have a fraction. So the one that has whole number, add them up. So we have 7 and 3. 7 plus 3. Add them up. Draw your line. Then you find the LCM of the denominator. I know you will have done LCM in your school, but in case you have forgotten, let's look for it. We have 6, 12, 4. So what can divide? We look for the lowest number that can divide, lowest prime number that can divide them. The lowest prime number is 2. 2 will go in 6, 3. 2 will go in 12, 6. 2 will go in 4, 2. As long as there's still 2, we use 2 to divide again. So you use 2 again. 2 in 3, it cannot. So you put down your 3. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 2, 1. Then 2 cannot divide anymore. You move to the next prime number, which is 3. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 1, 1. So your LCL equals 2 times 2 times 3, and that will give us 12. So the LCM of this denominator is 12. So you put down your 12. So 6, this 6 will go in 12 2 times. 6 will go into 12 twice. So that 2 times your 5. 2 times 5. 6 goes into 12 2 times. This is a 2 times your 5. Then your plus. 12 goes into 12 1. That's 1 times your 7. Plus 4 goes into 12 3 times. So write it times your 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 times 5, 10, plus 7, 1 times 7, 7, 3 times 1, 3. So you're 12. Your 10 whole number, this plus this will give us 20 divided by 12. So 12 will go into 20 just once. So we have your 10 whole number, 12 in 20, 1. Remainder 8. 8 over 12. So 10 plus 1, 11, divide 8 divided by 12. Now, we cannot leave the answer this way because the fraction has not been brought down to the lowest term. To bring down the fraction to the lowest term, we have to divide by 4 because 8 and 12 are multiples of 4. So 4 in 8 will give us 2. 4 in 8 gives us 2. 4 in 12 gives us 3. And this is your final answer. Now, due to time, we will not take subtraction of fraction today. So we take it in our next class. So just bear with us because we don't want to exceed 5 minutes. This book, Mathematics for Common Entrance, full curriculum for Basic 6. It will be useful for those in Basic 4 and also in Basic 5. So try and get it, order it through your school, get it through your school. Thanks a million.